Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Alexis and I appreciate you watching. Today we are going to be doing I tried following someone's makeup tutorial and the person I chose is, I'm sure you can probably guess by the title of this video, but I chose Tati Westbrook because she is like my favorite YouTuber of all time. And I wanted to challenge myself because she is like a super bomb at makeup. And I'm still learning everything that I can do, so I'm going to be following her video, and I will link the video down below as to which one I'm following. And yeah, I think that's it, so we're going to go ahead and get started. My name is Alexis. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video before you leave. So I'm doing her drugstore glam because I would probably have more products there than I would anything else, so we're just gonna be following that. I'll turn it down a little just so it's not like all over the place. So yeah, I'm gonna follow this. So let's start. Just gonna skip through the intro.
Maybe using this on their face.
Okay, she's using a Monistat Chafing Relief Powder Gel as her primer. I don't have that, so I'm gonna be using the Cetaphil Oil Control Moisturizer for acne prone skin, and I'll need her to stop talking. Anyways, so I'm using that. I just use a little bit because I'm really oily. I put it in the places that I'm oily and whatnot. I think she's got normal skin, or maybe she's a little oily. Anyway, I'm super oily, like I wake up with oil over my face, so yeah. So she did that. She's taking Wet n Wild Photo Focus. I have that, so I'm going to be using that. She's also using a beauty blender or something blender. I don't know. I'm using my Real Techniques blender. I know it's super dirty. But she's taking Wet n Wild the Photo Focus foundation. I'm taking Soft Beige.
So I'm just going to blend this in. Alright, hopping straight into concealer.
She's already in concealer. What the heck? I'm not ready. So this is totally not my color, but it's okay. I'm gonna take my Real Techniques. It's like a hair or something. Just going to blend that in.
This is actually a really good foundation. I'm just thinking about color. This is like a color I use in the summer.
Of course, her skin is literally perfect, so it's not like she needs anything at all, ever.
I feel like I need to rush, but I know I don't. I am watching her on my computer, so that's why. And I don't know how to do the whole consider video here, so you guys can watch with me.
You guys, look at that. It'll be okay. These freaking baby hairs, I swear. I do want to try and get it as like almost as identical as I can. I'm gonna need like a whole, look at this. Alright, now she's on concealer. She's using the Maybelline Insta Age Rewind. I have that. Wait. Did she put it? Back. Okay. Hopefully it doesn't lighten up that. Whatever. She's using the same sponge, so.
I do like to take some of the excess.
She likes to put the excess on her eyelid.
Cancels out some of the veins and provides a nice smooth base for everything to blend on top of.
Just stab myself in the eye.
Doing the same sponge yet again. We're going straight
Oh wait, no, I'm not ready. Stop.
to a little loose powder. This is the Cody Airspun.
She's using the Cody Airspun. I don't have that, so I'm going in with the Maybelline Master Fix. She's using that same sponge to put it under her eyes. So I'm gonna get this all over the place like I usually do. Just putting it.
A little bit heavy, but then kind of adding the powder on. It's not only doing
Okay, she's putting it heavily under her eye. Oh. And then she said she was patting it in kind of everywhere else. I also do this technique, which I mean, me and her are very different people, as you can tell. But I do use this technique where I pat it in instead of sweeping it away because of my super oily skin that I have. So, yeah. That's kind of the same, which I'm glad.
Oh wow.
She's applying bronzer. She's taking Physicians Formula. Once again, I don't have that, so I'm going to take e.l.f. bronzing palette. I feel like I'm not showing you guys in this. As you can see, you can tell which one I use. So, I mean, it's about the same color, so it's not like it's completely... It does have a mirror, so I won't blind everybody with that. But it's just a little quad. It's got some shimmery and some matte.
Another thing I really love to do when
Wait, no, stop. I'm not ready.
She's kind of sweeping it back. And you guys will see in the video when you're watching it, hopefully. The best makeup ever. Thanks, Tati.
Anyways,
makeup is minimizing the use of a ton of products. So I'm also going to take my bronzer and a crease brush. This is a Y17.
okay, she's taking the same bronzer and a crease brush.
I'm just going to fluff this in the crease.
She's putting it in the crease.
Get a nice uniform look with the rest of the face and add just a little bit of dimension and depth. It's just so fast to do this, but it has such a nice effect. And then you can go ahead and take whatever excess is on your brush and just kind of go underneath the little lash line ever so slightly.
She's taking it under the lash line too. Wait, stop going so fast. Okay. She's kind of taking it in the crease. She's using the same product for two things, which is my favorite type of thing to do. I do that all the time. And she's taking whatever's left and going under the lash line, which isn't much, but it's enough. Sometimes on that end. As you guys can see, it does kind of make a difference, so. She's using a sleek highlighting palette. I don't have that, so I'm gonna go in with e.l.f. and Moonlight Pro.
Another level, you can go ahead and dampen your brush and take a little bit of infallible setting spray from L'Oreal. Go back into the same shade.
And she just wet her brush and went back in with the highlighter. Where's my setting spray? Hello? Oh. I'm using the Mario Badescu Rose Water. Maybe. She's gonna wet it and then she's going back in with that highlighter. Wow, that made a whole difference. I'm gonna have to start doing that. Like, that literally made such a difference. Okay. She's just putting it on her cheeks right now. She's putting the excess on her collarbones and shoulders, but they are not exposed. I was in a sweatshirt mood today. She took the highlighter, put it on her eyelid. She's going with mascara. Okay, I'm not ready. This is actually a really bomb highlighter. I broke mine. Let's just ignore that. And then she took her crease brush and just buffed it in. Alright, now she's going with an Essence Volume Stylist Mascara. I don't have that, but I do have an Essence mascara. This is the Lash something, gives you the false lash. This is a new one they came out with, but, you know. She curled her lashes, so I'm going to curl mine. Let's see. She puts it in. Who's got that all over her body?
I am going to go in with false lashes just because I think it's the quickest, easiest way to really look like.
Okay, she's doing falsies right now. I'm not doing that because I am not ready. It's taking me forever. Come on, Alexis. Catch up with Tati. She's using Ardell, which is what I got. You can't tell because I took bath package. She's using Ardell Demi Wispies. I also got Demi Wispies. I'm gonna put those on really quick. Really quick. Except not really. I'm also using the Kiss Strip Less adhesive. It goes on clear and then it dries black, which is weird, but whatever. I am going to do this off camera because I suck at putting lashes on and we'd be sitting here for another hour watching me do this. So I'm gonna let those dry and I'll be right back. Alright guys, now that lashes are on, 10 years later, she did her brows off camera. I forgot to do that, so I'm just gonna do them super quick. All she did was fill them in. So I'm just gonna do them real quick.
I love these lashes. I always forget how
These lashes are pretty good.
lashes. They go on in a snap. Even if you're a beginner.
I don't know why these look so different. She's using a Pixie liquid lipstick. I don't have that, so I'm going to mix. I don't have it, and I don't really have the exact shade, so it's like in between these two shades. This is the Kylie and Candy K. This is Cougar and something. I don't know. There's no thing on it, but I'm going to mix these two while she does that.
I'm going to add the tiniest bit of blush. This is from the
And she's already... Stop. It's kind of, hers is more pink than mine, but we'll be okay. Now she's going with the Milani blush in Tea Rose. I don't have Milani blush. I have an e.l.f. blush palette that looks the same as like the bronzer blush palette. So I'm going to be using the IT Cosmetics airbrush powder. So she used the Milani Tea Rose and it's like these two mixed together. And I don't have that, so I'm just going to use this. And this is also very different from me because I hate blush. Like, I never wear it. Literally ever. And then she used the Infallible Pro Matte Setting Spray, which I also do not have, so you can go back in with this. I'm just kidding. I'm gonna take my Urban Decay Day Slick Setting Spray. And okay guys, so that is the final look. Now I gotta clean up my mess that I made. So yeah, this is me trying to follow a Tati Westbrook. Hers looks always 10 times better than any of my looks ever will. And so now I'm gonna take this off because it's totally not my color. But this was my take on it. So yeah guys, so that's the final look. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Mwah.